Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm black and white fashion shot. My first job get out of school. Well, this is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Fine Dishes. Pretty nice drawing, isn't it? Pretty much, yeah. I really like this. Real simple drawing type image. Well, I'm gonna colorize first anyways. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna add layer over this photograph and change blend mode. Normal to color, as always. Now I'm gonna add some color. Well, I don't even remember the colors, so I'm just imagination. Based on my imagination, right? Okay. Go for a nice skin tone first. With the brush. Yeah, brushing to medium blend. Nice sunny day. There's a clear shadow here. Okay, a little more yellowish color on sunny side. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna use the eraser tool, same brush. Airbrushing to medium blend, same. So using brush and eraser tool back and forth. Now go for skin makeup, huh? Well, okay, some yellowish color on same highlight side on her hair. Okay, now what color is the cap? Now I want to put color on shirt and pants. These are white. Not much density on area. Well, let me put this color layer right. Let's see how much we see. Oh yeah, we see some colors on. That's alright now. That's good. Okay, using this smudge tool. Well, same thing. Airbrushing to medium blend for smudge tool. All the tools, brush, smudge tool, laser tool, everything is same thing. Same brush texture. Now it's the eraser tool, but I'm smudging some. Okay. Very interesting colors. Okay, a little bit more bluer color in this pants. Shadow side, I'm smudging bluer color to this reddish colors too. Okay, now we got nice colors. Now I go for background. Well, about background, I'm going to add another layer for background under this model's layer. Let's see, I feel like more dark blue. Well, I gotta change to blend mode color. Pretty close. Now touch up overall image. Now I go touch up models, smudging. Okay. Alright. Now colorize. That's it. Pretty subtle colors. Okay, just leave it this way. Yeah. Alright, let's see. This pencil drawing type of image. Now change blend mode to maybe color burn. Just a touch dark image. Maybe overlay is kind of interesting. Okay, let's see. I just want to check. Just leave this pencil drawing type image darken. Now just darken pencil drawing type image. Now how about add layer just underneath of this pencil drawing type image. Then fill in the layer with white. Now I'm gonna mask. Going to evolve first to get the edge of the brush, then make mask. Outside edges, just clear edge. Then change brush to bonobo chalk. Sketching to bonobo chalk. Let's see, I'm gonna paint on this white layer. Let's see. Yeah, I guess that's it, huh? Alright, now this is original shot, and I add model's color first, and then background color to colorize this photograph, and I add white layer with mask. Well, I painted on color on the white layer, then make mask. Then I add, well, just turn on the pencil drawing type image. Blend mode is darken to show the lines. Well, this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea. A little bit different thing is I used the white layer, but I just painted on white layer, then using the mask. That's about first time I did. Well, thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.